Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. From today, we are going to start out a new series onto the channel, and that is referring up to your machine learning, right? So, from today, we'll be learning about the different things in machine learning. Whatever the skills are there, we'll be learning about those things and whatever the learning algorithms, whatever the models, each and everything will be going up in a lot of detail into this new series. So from today we'll be starting about the machine learning and with that, first of all today I would tell you out that what is machine learning. Okay, so let's start on our particular series with this very first topic that what machine learning actually is and what are the things which we are having it here. Let's get started with that. Let me very quickly take up a color here so that we can start on for today. Okay, let's say this one is the one we can take it on and go. Great. So I would start on with what machine learning first of all actually is. Okay. So what is it? It is a branch of artificial intelligence. See, machine learning, deep learning, data science, and AI. These are four of the terminologies which are some or the either very correlated with each other. Right. Now there we have to find in that what is the branch or what. So now if I specifically talk about the machine learning. So what's that? That is a branch of the artificial intelligence. That is a branch of AI. Right. And the computer science which we are having, we focus on the use of the data, the algorithms, how the humans learn gradually, how the accuracies are being improved out. So these are all of the respective things which we take here in the machine learning. Right, so computer science, what is it? Computer science completely focuses upon the use of the data, the use of the algorithms, right, the way that humans learn, and gradually improving the accuracy in all of the respective things. So that is what is computer science, right? Now, if I talk about the machine learning, so what is it? So machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. Okay, that is a subset of AI. Okay, now it is a study of making machines more human like in their behavior and decisions by giving them ability to learn and develop their own programs. So now machine learning, it is what is it? It is a study. Okay, it is sort of a study where we make up the machines in a sort of a human like behavior. Right, in a sort of a human like, we just make up some machines and the behavior and the decisions, we give the behavior, we give the decisions to those machines which are making them more human like, and we just give them the ability to learn and develop their own programs. So this is what is called as machine learning. So that is completely I study of making the machines more human like in their behavior and decisions by giving them the ability to learn and develop their own programs. This is what is machine learning. So into the machine learning, we have some we study about making of the machines, and we try to make up those machines more human like the behavior and the decisions, the ability to learn, the ability to develop their own programs. So these are some of the features, some of the abilities which we try to put up into those machines, which is a study which we do up into the machine learning, right? So, previously we learned about the data science. The data science is already completely covered onto my channel. Already it is done. So, what you could do is that you can just go over there onto my channel, and there are many playlists like Python. Then we have the Tableau, we have the NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn, Matplotlib, Plotly. Further, we have data visualizations. We have mathematics, that is the statistics and probability. So, or SQL. All of these respective things are already covered onto my channel regarding the data science. Okay, So you can just go there onto my channel and you can just check out the videos, whatever is needed. And from if you want to learn data science, you can learn out that from there. And make sure that you do not forget to subscribe out my channel. Please subscribe out my channel and don't forget to press that bell notification so that you do not miss out on updates from there. Okay, now let's get back to our machine learning. So right away we discussed that what machine learning is. So first of all, that is a branch of AI and computer science which focuses on the use of the data and algorithms, the way that humans learn, gradually improving the accuracy. So machine learning is a sort of a subset of AI. So machine learning is the study of making the machines more human-like in their behavior and decisions by giving them the ability to learn and develop their own programs. Right. So this is what is actually the machine learning. Now, right away into this one only, I will let you know a little regarding the skills which are required in the machine learning. So it goes on that the skills, see, first we are into the programming languages like C++, Python, Java, or R. So from here we'll be learning up the Python programming language. Okay. Then goes your mathematics, probability and statistical concepts. Then goes your applied mathematics, your distributed computing, Hadoop and its application are your next two. Right, so yeah, we'll be learning all of these respective things. We'll be learning a lot and lot of algorithms, a lot and lot of models in machine learning, yes, supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement, everything will be covering up into the detailed into this particular series only. Right, so yeah, we'll be starting out our particular course with the Python, and that one will be started from tomorrow. Right, today I'm just trying to give it an overview that what are the overviews which we are having in here. Now, what are the applications of the machine learning? Okay, now let's learn a little bit about the applications, that what are the applications which we are having into the machine learning and where the machine learning is used out and the things like that. See, speech recognition, right? That is one of the very important applications of machine learning where we will try to recognize their speech, right? Then traffic prediction. Traffic prediction, like prediction of the traffic, that at what area the traffic is higher, what areas the traffic is lower, and things like that. So traffic prediction, right? Product recommendations. We try to give the recommendations of the product. Let's say you are searching, or like you have just searched anything onto your any e-commerce site, let's say Flipkart or Myntra, anything. Okay, and now you had searched that on there, and now recently if you open up your Facebook, so there you'll be getting the ad of the same product which you had searched on onto your e-commerce websites, right? So that is what is known as your product recommendation. So whatsoever you are going to search up over your e-commerce websites, automatically those types of products will be displayed up onto your feed of your Facebook and your whatsoever the things you are using out. So that's what is come under the product recommendations. Self-driving cars, we know that right away the self-driving cars are as well one of the things which are really very like booming. So those are as well applications of machine learning, email spam and malware filtering. What are the emails we receive into that? If it is a spam or if it is a malware, so it automatically filters all those. That is actually the application of a machine learning only. My virtual personal assistant, whatever you say, let's say if I say open YouTube, so it will help me to open up my YouTube. I say open Google, it will help me to open the Google. I say email to this person, so it will email. So that is what is a virtual personal assistant, just like Alexa. Okay, online fraud detection. So in the banks, whatever the frauds are being done and the things like that, so the detection of those frauds and all the things, online fraud detection is the one. Stock market trading. So in the stock markets, this machine learning helps. Medical diagnosis. In medical diagnosis, machine learning is one of the applications which like helps you out. Automatic language translation. For automatically translating up the languages, machine learning is used. Image recognition, like if you see us show the image, so it will help you to recognize that what is the image of that, the name of that person, and the things like that. So these are some of the applications of the machine learning which you are having in it up here. Right, now these are some of the applications which I have right away discussed with you right away here. So I told you today that what is machine learning. Right, I told you what are the skills needed, and I told you the applications as well for the machine learning. Right, so now From tomorrow video we'll be starting up our machine learning properly, and from tomorrow we'll be starting learning your Python programming language for the machine learning. So this is from where we'll be starting out our complete series for the machine learning. So I hope you people are very much excited for this, and I will now see you tomorrow. Until the time, if you haven't subscribed out my channel, I'm again reminding you, please subscribe out the channel so that you do not get any of the updates missed out from my channel regarding any of the new series or any of the videos. So this is all for this video. Till then, thank you and take care.